Okay, so I have the COMFIER massage chair here, and I'm going to talk about it in a few different ways. So I use this just for relaxation when I can't get to the chiropractor or if I just need a little TLC. So let's first talk about the remote. Okay, so it has a power cord. You plug it in, then you turn it on. And it does a couple of different things. So there's a massage head here at the top. Let me move the camera. Here at the top. Here on the side, these inflate. They are controlled by the air intensity on the remote. And then in the base of the chair, it also massages. Okay. So what I do is I turn it on, then I hit vibrate 1, 2, or 3. The chair will vibrate low, medium, and high. And then you can specifically pick where you want the massage by these arrows. If you want to choose the neck, it will turn this on. I just selected it. It turns that on. Okay. Then that's this indicator here on the top. If you don't want that on, you just turn it off. Then there is the shiatsu massage, which really is like a deep massage, or the rolling massage, which is just basically rolling. And then if you don't like any of those choices as to where it's at, you can spot pick where you want the massage by the up and down arrows. Okay. On the bottom of the remote is these 3 buttons: air back, air intensity, and air seat. So I turn these on, and then what happens is these sides, watch the sides, everything's going to start inflating, and once you're in the chair, see it's inflating, and then this is inflating as well. So once you're in the chair, you're really going to get that confined massage because it's massaging conformed to your body, which feels really, really good. And then lastly, what I like is the heat. You can turn the heat on and off for a little adjustable heat. So basically you have the adjustable heat, the rolling, the spot massage options. So depending on your mood, you could really tailor the massage to where you want it. The head and neck, the middle, or then the seat. And you can conform this is the rolling right now. You could see that's rolling. And then here's the shiatsu. Let's see if it's going to change what it's doing. But it feels very good, and it's like a really deep massage. But instant relaxation anywhere you go. I use it all the time. And I have it in this chair, but you can put it in an office chair. And on the back it does have a strap, so you can really transform those office chair meetings. So final take on this thing: why wait for a spa appointment when you can have relaxation on demand? I really do highly recommend this massage chair.